We've heard from countless Western Mass residents waiting in line for hours to get a COVID-19 test.
And now local leaders are calling on Governor Baker to open another regional testing site in our area to help with sky-high demand. Western Mass News reporter Matt Satilli joins us live after getting answers. Matt.
Well, Chris and Jordan, over at the Big E Fairgrounds, it opened its gates to first responders and administered hundreds of tests daily during the early stages of the pandemic. Now, elected officials are calling on it as one of the sites to reopen its gates for Western Mass residents.
He's initiated the National Guard, so we're looking at ways that we can find a site, staff it up, and get testing up and running as soon as possible.
Hours-long lines at the AMR Regional COVID-19 testing site at the Eastfield Mall, and a surge of local cases has led State Representative Carlos Gonzalez and other local leaders, including Springfield Mayor Dominic Sarno and State Senator Adam Gomez, to call on Governor Charlie Baker to open another regional testing site here in Western Massachusetts.
A site that is close to Springfield, but not necessarily in the city, would be beneficial for the outskirts of Springfield area.
Gonzalez tells Western Mass News placing the site outside of Springfield would alleviate the traffic congestion at the Eastfield Mall that has spilled onto Boston Road and become more accessible for neighboring communities.
People have mentioned the Big E, they've mentioned Six Flags. Again, it's a regional effort.
We reached out to West Springfield Mayor Will Reichelt, who provided us with this statement about the status of a potential testing site at the Big E Fairgrounds. Senator Gomez is working with surrounding leaders on getting a regional testing site at the Big E. We are hopeful that this will happen to help our surrounding communities get tested. As for Springfield residents, Gonzalez is personally calling for increased testing at the community level.
We also need to expand on community-based testing because I think that'll be, in the long run, the best way in order to alleviate the congestion but meet the demand.
Which he says could be a difference maker in helping stop the spread.
Whether you're vaccinated or not, testing is crucial.
Gonzalez also tells me he's working with local pharmacies to help with community-based testing and potentially enlisting testing agencies to help staff the new regional testing site. We'll keep you updated with the latest developments. Live in Chicopee, Matt Satilli, Western Mass News.